Hey guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful wall hanging. And it will be made with merino wool. We will be using beautiful taupe and beautiful ivory colors. This is Australian merino wool, 100%. It's extremely thick. It's about 2.5 inches thick, as you can see. And you can use any colors. We have like 32 colors available, and you can use one color, or you can use two color combination like in this one that I will show you how to make. This one is ivory and taupe, and I will show you a few pictures, or maybe you saw it at the beginning of the video, a few different options. And we have a DIY knitting kit available to make it on our website BeCozi.net. The DIY knitting kit will have enough of wool, those colors that you select. It will also have this stick, this string, and these copper pieces in the kit included. And then you can watch this video and you can make this beautiful, very easy to make project. It's a wall hanging, it's a dream catcher. You can hang it in your living room, you can hang it in your child's room, any room. It will be really beautiful addition. So if you have everything ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so we will have this yarn ready. So, but if you are not buying the DIY kit, and you will be buying it somewhere separately. So this two biggest, longest pieces will be 24 inches each, so it will be 48, and then they will have two of those. This one will be a little bit shorter, so this one will be about 20 one side, so it's 40 inches each, and you will have two. This one will be a little bit shorter, so 36 inches each. This one about 30 inches each, and this one about 25 inches each. So it's kind of you go with the flow. You don't need to be really precise, because then we will fix it when it's hanging on the wall. So the first piece, we're taking our stick, put it in the middle, and then we're taking the first piece of the wool, and we're placing the stick on the top like that. And then you're taking these two pieces and you're inserting them in this opening. That's simple. See, that's all we are gonna do. Now we're taking the second one and we're doing exactly the same. These two will be in the middle. So the stick on the top, you have opening here, then take these two ends and insert them, and then gently pull, guys, because this is merino wool. It's very gentle. Okay, so don't break it. So here we are. See, we have these two pieces. They will be in the middle. Now we're taking one of these taupe colors, and the same way, only we're placing it on the side of the ivory like that. See, we are placing it, stick on the top. Here's the opening. Take both ends and insert them inside. So this is gonna be a really fun project. You can do it with your kid, with your friend. It's just really simple and a lot of fun. So this taupe on this side, leave the opening. Take two, keep them even, take two ends and insert them inside, and then pull gently to make this knot. Okay, so we have four now. See, we now inserting two more ivories. So one ivory will go on this side, and another ivory on the other side. You can make it the same color, guys, as I showed you. My ivory one, one of my favorite ones. It's really beautiful because copper is really shining beautifully on the ivory. See, that's where we are now. And now let's add some more taupe. So, and you can have different, absolutely different colors, whatever you can imagine. If it's for the children room, you can make it bright, like white and yellow, white and pink. For the boys room, white and blue. It's your fantasy and your colors of the room. So here we are. Need to move them a little bit to the left because we are too much on the right side. Okay, so now we have enough space to place our last two pieces of ivory. See, these ones will be the shortest ones, so we'll place it on the very end over here and pull, and then the same on this other side on the very end. So this project is quite inexpensive because you will have less than 12 ounces of merino wool needed. And then it will also have this stick and copper pieces. Here we are. So here we are, guys. We have the wall hanging done. So now we will need to make the ends looking really nicely before we will start putting the copper pieces. So we will not be using scissors. Merino wool looks really good when you're just pulling it. So put your hand where you want it to be pulled, and then just simply pull merino wool like that. And now it should not be too much longer from this one, so we'll need to pull some. Oops. And these two in the middle will be the same length, guys, and then taupe on both sides will be a little bit shorter. Okay, see, you can just easily pull it as short as you need, and they need to be approximately the same length. So hold it with one hand and then pull it with another. Here we are. See, they are approximately the same. Now we will pull a little bit of the taupe to make it look the same, and then we will need to pull taupe on this side and just make sure that this taupe will be the same size as the other one. Okay, here we are. A little bit more. Okay, so I will keep doing it and then I will come back and show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so you can see that we are ready with this side. It goes on the angle, and now I will do the same on another side. See, now it's not even, and it needs to be the same as on another on the right side. So we will pull here and the next one. Okay, so you can see, guys, we have it even now, the same lengths on both sides. And what we will be doing now, we will be attaching our copper pieces like that, and then we will attach the string when we are done here. So what we will be doing, the first piece of copper, we will connect these two pieces in the middle. See, these two and these two, and we will connect these two in the middle as high as possible, so somewhere over here. So the merino wool is pretty thick, and this copper piece is pretty small. So what we will do, we will roll the yarn, the merino wool, like that, then insert the copper piece, and then keep rolling and keep pulling. So rolling that yarn would be getting a little bit thinner, and we could move it. So see, when it's here inside the copper piece, then you can move it the way, the height you want. So here we are. See what we get here? So next piece, we are taking these two, and these two we will be putting piece of the copper piece a little bit lower. The same way, it will be a little bit tricky here because it's different lengths of the wool. The same way, roll it, twist it, and roll it, twist, and then insert inside the copper piece like that, and then move it carefully. As I said, merino wool is pretty easy to break, so we will need to move it carefully, and then we will need to move the top yarn a little bit back like that. So see, that's what we have here now. It's a little bit lower. Now we're doing the same on this side, this part and this part. Okay guys, so you see what we have here? Now I will keep doing the same way on this side. We will connect this taupe and this ivory, and it will also go a little bit lower. The same way, twist these two colors together, make the end as small as possible, and then insert inside this copper piece. And it's not okay, see, it needs to be together, needs to be twisted together, because as I said, merino wool is pretty thick and the copper piece is pretty small, but that what gives us this beautiful look. Here you go. And then we're untwisting it and spreading it, that it would be looking nice and a little bit lower. See, now these two pieces, and at some point we can actually go higher, so we can go like this. How about that? So it will go here and then over here. It's kind of like your imagination, how you want to make it. You can make it up or down, then up and down, both. It's just the way you want it. Okay. So twisting it, inserting it, and pulling. Here we are. Here we are. And where it is? It's not there. Let's try again. Okay, here we are. And go here. So it should be on the same level like that. Okay. And this one piece we will just leave hanging like that. So what I will do the same on another side, but before I will go there, let me show you what we will be doing on the bottom. So these pieces are now kind of together. So try to connect them together. Pull the yarn, make it kind of pointy on the end like that. See? And then now we will do the same with these two guys, kind of trying to connect them together and then make them pointy like that. And then we'll do the same with white over here. You can try to twist it together like that. See, then the taupe colors, you can remove some of the wool that is not of the same length, like this. See how beautiful it looks? And this is actually something that you can finish when it's hanging on the wall. It will be easier, probably. Here we are. Here, that's how it will look when it's hanging on the wall. So now I will finish the other side and I will show you the whole piece when it's done. Okay guys, so we are ready. See, it's all done. The top, you can see the top, you can see the bottom. Let me move it that you would see that how it looks. So it goes down, then it goes up. And now we can attach our string that we can actually hang it on the wall. To attach the string, you just make a very simple knot with the string on the end, and then another knot to secure it. And you can cut the end or keep it there, doesn't matter. And then the same on another side, a very simple knot, and then another knot like that. Here we go. Now it can go on the wall, and again, it's a beautiful addition to any room in your house. It will be beautiful. Some people call it a dream catcher. It's a beautiful dream catcher for your child's room, and it's basically really fast and pretty cheap projects and amazingly beautiful on the wall. So DIY knitting kit is available at BeCozi.net. There is a link underneath the video. You can just click and buy DIY knitting kit with any colors you want. You can just make it one color, simple color, or you can add another color. It's up to you. The DIY knitting kit will come with everything you need for this project. Stay warm and be cozy.